The next article is the LPC 2148 digital to analog converter. That means the LPC 2148 DAC. Digital to analog converter DAC are mostly used to the generate analog signal. That means the sine wave, triangular wave from the digital values. The LPC 2148 has the 10-bit DAC with register string architecture. It also works the power down mode. LPC 2148 has the analog output pin A out on chip, where we can get the digital in the form of the analog output voltage. The analog voltage on A out pin is calculated is equal to value divided by 1024 multiplied by the V reference. That means hence we can change voltage by the changing value of the 10-bit digital value filled in the DAC register. DAC register is the DAC R. For example, if we set the value 512, then we can get the analog voltage A out pin as it is the 512 divided by 1020 into the V reference is equal to V reference divided by 2. In that LPC 2148 DAC pins, the figure shows the LPC 2148 DAC pins. In that pins, A out is the analog output. This is the analog output pins of the LPC 2148 DAC is the peripheral, where we can get the analog output voltage from the digital value. And that the V reference, that is the voltage reference, is the provide voltage reference from DAC with the VDD and the VSS, analog power control and the ground. These are the power and the ground pins for the DAC. This should be same as the VDD and the VSS. Let's see the register for the used for the DAC register, that means the DAC R. DAC register DAC R is the 32-bit register. It is read and the write register, whereas the bit number 0 to 5 or the 5 is the 0 is reserved, and bit number 15.6 is the value. That means this is the field content, the 10-bit digital value to be converted into the analog voltage. We can get the analog output voltage A out pin is calculated with the formula for the value divided by 1024 into the V reference. Bit number 16 is the bias. That means the bit number 16 bias is 0, then get the maximum settling time of the 1 microsecond, and the maximum current is the 700 microampere, where bit number 16 bias is the 1, settling time of is the 2.5 microsecond, and the maximum current is the 350 microampere. That means the settling timers are the valid from the capacitance load on the A out pin, not exceed the 100 picofarad. That means the load impedance value greater than that the value will causes the settling time longer than the specified time. The next bit is the bit number 31 to 70 or 70 to the 31 is the reserved bit. In that programming for the digital to analog converter, first configure the P025 or the A out pin is the DAC output. It is the using for the PINSL register. That means the set the settling time using for the bias in the DAC register. Now we'll write the 10-bit value which we can want to the convert into the analog form in the value field of the DAC registers. That means the Let us the example for the simple program of the LPC 2148 DAC. In that we will load the DAC value with the various values to generate the sine wave, triangle wave, sawtooth wave, square wave and the DC wave. That means the 4 switches used as the input P0.8 for the sine wave, P0.9 for the triangular wave, P0.10 for the sawtooth wave and P0.11 for the square wave pins. These pins are connected into the 3.3 volt through the pull-up resistor, and the switches are connected as shown in the figure. Only switch for the P0.8 is known as the figure, and the switches are connected similar to the manner for the 3 pins as well as. If we connect the DAC output pins P0.25 to the oscilloscope, we can observe the different waves. In that the figure the simple program for the LPC 2148 DAC. In that the program include the header files, include the delay for the loop generate the 1 millisecond delay, and the clock frequency is the 16 megahertz. In this program, the input pins and the for the switches P08, the P0.8 is the sine wave, P0.9 is the triangular wave, P0.10 is the sawtooth wave and the P0.11 is the square wave, where unit is the T sine wave. That means the while loop, and the while loop for the if the switches for the square wave pressed, if the switches for the sawtooth wave pressed, if the switches for the triangular wave pressed. Like that the overall the DAC program.